In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendar View in Notion. If you've ever wished your tasks, events, and deadlines could lay themselves out across a calendar so you can see what's coming up at a glance, this is for you. We'll walk through setting up the calendar view inside an existing database and using it to organize your schedule visually without changing any of your underlying data. Start by opening a database in your Notion workspace. This could be a table, a board, a list, any database that already holds the items you want to see on a calendar. Remember, the calendar uses date information from your entries. If an item doesn't have a date yet, it won't show on the calendar until you give it one. So keep that in mind as you set things up. At the top left corner of your database, look for the current view name. It might say something like table, board, or list. Click that name. This opens the Views menu, which is where you choose how the same set of data is displayed. Think of views as different lenses. They don't duplicate your items. They simply reorganize how you see them. In that drop-down, select Add a View. You're not creating a new database, just a new way to look at the same information. This is helpful when you want flexibility. Maybe you plan your week on a calendar, but manage details in a table. With multiple views, you can switch back and forth without losing anything. When prompted to choose a layout, pick Calendar. This tells Notion to arrange your entries by date across a monthly grid. It's a great way to identify busy weeks, open days, and any uneven distribution of work at a glance. You'll be asked to give the view a name. Enter something clear and click Create. A descriptive name helps when you're juggling several views, so choose one that makes sense for you or your team. Now, you can add or move entries on specific dates to organize your schedule visually. Click on a date to create a new entry directly on the calendar, then fill in the details. If you already have items with dates, you'll see them placed automatically. To reschedule, just drag an entry to a new date. The date property updates instantly, and the item stays in the same database. This makes rearranging your week as simple as moving tiles around. That's all you need to set up and use Calendar View in Notion. You can return to the view name at the top left anytime to switch between calendar and your other views, keeping planning high level and execution detailed, all in one place.